In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage an event on Google Calendar using a web browser like Chrome. This is a handy skill, especially if you want to keep your schedule organized or if you're coordinating something with others. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward along the way. To begin, open Google Calendar. You can easily do this by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar of your browser. Once you've hit enter, your calendar page will load and you'll see your schedule laid out for the day, week, or month. Next up, you'll want to create a new event. To do this, look towards the top left of your screen and find the plus button labeled Create. You can either click that, or if you already have a particular date and time in mind, you can click directly on the grid of your calendar on the desired date or time slot. This flexibility allows you to access the event creation screen in the way that feels most intuitive for you. Now that you're at the event creation interface, it's time to fill in the details. Start with a compelling and descriptive title. Let's say it's a team meeting. A clear title is essential as it will be the first thing attendees see. Next, specify the date and time of your event. Make sure this information is accurate to avoid any confusion later. If your event is taking place at a specific location, or if it's a virtual meeting via platforms like Google Meet, make sure to include a link or the location details. This helps attendees know exactly where they need to be or how to join the meeting. Inviting guests is an important part of organizing an event. On the right side of the event pop-up, you'll find a box labeled Add Guests. Click inside that box and type the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. As you type, Google will offer suggestions from your contacts, making this process even quicker if you have previous interactions stored. Once you've entered all the necessary information and added your guests, it's time to save the event. Click on the Save button. After you do, a pop-up window will appear asking if you'd like to send invitation emails to the people you've invited. Select Send to notify them. The email invitation that will be sent includes options for them to respond with yes, no, or maybe regarding their attendance, allowing you to easily track who can make it and who can't. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and managing events on Google Calendar on the web through Chrome. Following these steps will ensure that your events are well organized and that your attendees are fully informed. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.